476% growth on my account. Yes, and with a drawdown of just 20%. Is this sound real? Yes, I got these results and all details are in this video. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Hello and welcome back. You are watching TradingBotLab and I'm your host Abdul. Let's move to my screen and here you can see I am using the Quantitative Bull Forex Scalper MT5 EA, which is available on the MT5 marketplace free of cost. And the symbol I am using AUDUSD on 5-minute time frame. I have done its in-depth optimization on last 3 years of data from 2022 to 2025, and all the settings you can see. The deposited amount I'm using $1,000 with a leverage of 1 to 500 leverage. A lot of broker offering this leverage. You can use this setting on any broker. I already have completed its in-depth optimization and straightforward. Let's move to the optimization results. The highest profit I got $476, and when I right click on it, single test, let's see how the graph nicely going up. The backtest is completed and see here how the graph is nicely going upward, and every trader loves this kind of graph. I am doing all this work only for you and you are not going to subscribe me. This is not fair. Subscribe right now. Okay, let's move back and here see the backtest results. I'm using the history quality of 100% and all these results are here. You can stop the video here and read all these values. And now here let's move to profit and losses by months. There is 1 month in some loss in November, a small loss, but all other months are in profit. And here one thing is amazing that January, February, March, May, June, August, October have no losses at all. And with this setting, one problem, let me show you. Here you see the total number of trades are only 77, which are not acceptable in last 3 years. There are a lot of trading days with just 77 number of trades. So I'm not going to work with this setting. So let's move to the optimization tab and select another best setting. Here on the optimizations, all these settings are hide because these settings are only visible to our VIP members. You can join our VIP membership for free. You can go to TradingBotLab website and follow the instructions on the register page to join the VIP membership for free. Here, let's see how many number of highest in trades. I got the highest number of trades, 640 trades, but here I blow up my account. But here is a good setting which made 184% profit with a total number of trades of 574. But here the profit factor and the recovery factor are lower than 2. The recovery factor is most important factor, and I never accept a setting where I got the recovery factor less than 2. So let's look for a higher number in recovery factor. For better analysis, it's better to save this report in Excel file and then apply some filters on the Excel. In the first step, I will simply click on the export XML file. It will ask me to set the name and save. I will go here in this folder. All these optimizations are already completed, and here I will create another folder. Once I set the name, I will simply click on the save button and this optimization file will be saved and it will be opened in Excel file. Now I'm going to apply some filters on it. So first of all, I apply a filter on the number of trades. From here, I will select greater than or equal to, I think so for 3 years, I must have at least 400 or maybe 500 number of trades. So I will select at least 350 number of trades and press OK. Here then I will go to the profit and see how much profit I made, the highest profit. So select Z to A. Here with a good number of trades, the equity drawdown is 42 and the recovery factor is 1. I will select here, apply a filter, and greater than or equal to, I will select 2 and then press OK. There is no input settings where I got the two recovery factor with the high number of trades. So let's remove this filter from here and select at least 200 number of trades. And now let's see. Again, there is no single result. I will simply select here and uncheck everything like clear filter from this tab. I will simply select here and sort it in descending orders. The highest number of trades I got 169 with the recovery factor of 2 and the profit factor is 1.35. Yes, the profit is 250%, but the equity drawdown is also very high. Let me spend some more time on it and let me do proper analysis of these optimization results. After doing analysis, I decided not to use this input setting because on average it is opening one trade in every 10 trades. But if I sort it with descending order, and here is the highest number of trades where I got the equity drawdown 29% with the recovery factor 1.8, which is lower than my level because I never use a set file which have a recovery factor lower than 2. But in case you want to use this set file and our VIP members can download this set file from the website, you can also join it for free. Okay, for now I will simply select this set file. Let's go to the MT5 terminal, and here is this is the same set file. I will simply right click on it and run single test. Let's see how the graph going up. The single test is completed, and here you can see how it is going up. But the bad thing is when it hit TP, there is a small TP, and when it give a loss, it's a very big loss, a big drawdown. So this is not acceptable. I personally only trade with the 1/1 risk to reward ratio at least or higher than that. I will not use this EA on the AUDUSD because it is not giving any good results. For now, that's it, and see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.